Friends, today I am going to teach you how to locate your icons of taskbar in the middle. And welcome to David's Techno. So, my taskbar icons are in the left. So, first, you hover your mouse over the taskbar and right click. So, you select unlock. It's checked. Lock the taskbar is checked. Click on it and it will be unchecked. So you go in toolbars and click on links. So this links has been created. And over here you go to Cortana and do show. So in Cortana you do show Cortana icon. So you cannot see the search bar, but you can just ask it the Cortana search when you click on the Cortana icon. So now you click on the two bars which are over here. The links has been created. So you drag it in the end and it's over here. And now you right click this and hide show title. So now you go in these two bars of the toolbar. So you drag it in the middle and your taskbar icons are in the middle. So please subscribe to my channel, David's Techno, and I'll be back with an interesting video next time. Bye.